Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana, your daily update. We'll be talking about it again. We'll be talking about everything you need to know, or at least what I think you need to know. Solana itself, I mean, just in general, it hasn't been as bullish as its cousins, Ethereum and Bitcoin, which have obviously since Solana stopped moving last week Thursday. And since last week Thursday, Bitcoin has moved up a ton more from 62,000 to the previous all-time highs. And it looks like it's going to go above that as well. So just in general, Solana has been a bit weaker than some of the bigger altcoins in the markets. Excuse me for my nose. I'm going to try to keep it up for the rest of the video. So that's the case. But if we individually look at Solana, obviously it does matter that it's quite weak against Bitcoin. And you can also see that right here. But then again, it is getting towards strong bottoms, all right? So we're getting towards a strong support when you look at the relation and the price between Solana and Bitcoin. So that could be seen as something bullish, or at least that some more bullish momentum is coming. And then if you really zoom into Solana individually, it is still bullish, all right? Basically what's happening right now is that Solana is kind of consolidating here between 125, which is our main support, and 135, which is our main resistance, both also previous resistance levels, of course. So we're consolidating in the tight range after having had a major bullish move right here. Usually if that happens, that results and that follows with another bullish confirmation. So if we just purely technically look at Solana, I'm actually bullish on it. The thing also is that ultimately I do expect 135 to break, because if we're looking for a breakout right now, purely technically, but also fundamentally, I mean, Solana is not doing bad in terms of a blockchain, and it's not doing bad in terms of its ecosystem. So ultimately, I expect that to break, all right, either way. The thing though is that the markets right now are pretty over leveraged, as most of you know. So what's going to happen is that at some point of time, we're going to get a big flush down, like we're going to get a big spike down. So something like that you should be prepared for. If Solana, I would say the main support level for Solana is 117.5 and potentially 112.5. So this level down here. It is possible that before we get that breakout above 135, and we'll have to see, all right? If Solana breaks above 135, then 150 is most likely. But until we actually get that breakout, I would be most prepared for some sort of a big spike down like this, consolidation, and then a little bit later, but still it'll come, a break above 125, continuation up to 135, and then eventually a breakout above 135. Do I think that's most likely? I don't know, all right? For me, it's just waiting for one of those two things to happen. So either the spike, followed by support, consolidation, and bullish momentum, or the bullish breakout right now. And those are two confirmations that you can wait for, I think, because whether you long Solana right now or whether you long it after we've broken above 135, doesn't matter that much. So I would wait for that confirmation and then based on that, act upon it. But ultimately, what I expect and what I predict is that Solana will break above 135 and get up to 150. Just the way it will do that, that's still a little bit variable, I would say. And there's I don't think there's much I can do to really predict that. I mean, we could have a look at Solana right now, at the momentum or something, but even if you look at that, that's also just flat, all right? So that also means that it's just waiting for some confirmation. We had some big short liquidations here, which is interesting to see. So that's true, and we're still getting a lot of spot buys. So that would indicate that a breakout above 135 is more likely before getting a flush. But then again, just wait for the confirmation. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.